I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select the trigger, which is ARForms. Select a form. Click Next. Now search and select Google Drive. To get client ID and secret, please visit Google API Console. Search for Google Drive API. Click on Enable. Go to Credentials. Click on Create Credentials. Select OAuth Client ID. Application type, Web Application. Name, Bit Integrations. Go to Integration Dashboard and copy Authorized Redirect URI. Click on Add URI and paste it here. Click on Create. Now copy Client ID and paste it here. Copy Client Secret and paste it here. Now click on Authorize. Successfully authorized. Click on Next. Select Field Upload File and select your respective folder. You can also delete your files from WordPress by check this box. Click on Next. Click on Finish and Save. Let's submit a form. Choose your file. Click on Send Message. Now let's check our Google Drive. As you can see, file uploaded successfully to Google Drive. Thanks for watching.